You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases. For more confusing French vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. Let's learn how to say it. Se verra. The meaning is that it will be seen. Se verra. Or if you say on se verra, it means we will meet, we will see each other. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.